Hey guys, Ken Ekdahl here from Dealer Socket, and I'm just going to do a quick little video about how to create the Crossfire widget. Crossfire, again, is the integration between our DealerFire web and CRM, and our hugely powerful, it's a hugely powerful amount of information to have if used properly. And so I'm just going to show you how to create the widget to track those website visits. Okay, so anytime you want to create a widget, that we don't supply, so Dealer Socket supplies several widgets out of the box. We're always adding to those, tons of different categories, radar, data mine, etc. But if there's one that you don't see that you want to build your own with, that is to go to your opportunities and tasks and to create a filter. And then any filter you have can be tracked as a widget. So really, you know, anytime I go to a filter here, like I want to look at, you know, all of my service leads, all of my split deals, any of these filters can also be dropped onto the homepage as a widget. That's how that works. So click on the three little dots here, open your filter manager. What you're going to do is create a new widget, edit. It's going to be under internet traffic for obvious reasons, and we'll call this one Ken's Crossfire leads. Spell that wrong? Yes, Crossfire. Okay, now this is the key. Who do you want to have access to this filter? Okay, if you only have a small team of people that you want to be able to access that, here is where you choose the people who will have visibility up. Okay, if you're okay with everyone having access, fine, just make it available to all users. In this case, for me, I'm just going to make it visible to myself. Boom. Okay, this is going to be for all sales. Yes, this is a sales opportunity or sales widget we're creating. And now we're going to start adding conditions. And this one's really simple. First condition, I'm going to add task type. And then when you click on task type, it'll open up some options here for you. And just scroll to the bottom and click what is it. And that's it. That's really it. We want to track anyone who visits the website. If you want to look at some of the other things, you can have task status. So you only want to look at tasks that are open tasks, not completed. You know, you can change it to assigned to looking at a person's tasks. So there's lots of different ways to kind of drill down into this. For this case, we want to see everyone's tasks all in one little area, and then who's available to handle it can, or the managers can go in and manually assign those leads. Up to you guys. But all I'm going to do here is click save. And what I usually do is just log out, log back in, and that widget will be available. Your widgets, remember this is a task type widget. Number 2, internet traffic. And there's Crossfire leads. Now you can change the shape of it. Boom, I've got 512 tasks that have been created by customers visiting the website. So sit there and it'll up its own in real time. You can set it up to send notifications. Maybe turn on your Crossfire notification under settings. It's called website visit. Not new Weblead, but website visit. And that is where? There it is. So I've got mine on, save. Now that's going to alert me if a customer comes onto the website. If I want to go in and get those leads, anytime you click on a widget, it just neatly takes you into the opportunities and tasks, which is where we built it. And then it's going to line all of my Crossfire leads up in a row. And then I can start sorting through. Okay, click on the first customer here. The first thing I want to do is look for this link. This link is what I click on, and it's going to show me how many times that customer's been on, etc. Let's look at Lee here. This is lead. Click on the highest link. It doesn't really matter, and that'll take you right into Ignite. And this is where you can actually see that that information for that customer. Let's find a better example. Sean. What it's telling me is this customer has submitted 10 leads and visited the website 24 times. And this is actually not an uncommon number, maybe not 10 leads, But this amount of visits is not completely uncommon. If a customer is really interested, they will be on your page, your website over and over again. You can actually go in and see more on your website. If they got there through Google or direct search or whatever, you can see how long, exactly which pages they were on. I mean, if you want to go in and see the leads, you can as well. You can see a schedule a drive lead back on March 23rd. There was a digital retail lead, so you can see all the different leads. And then you can see the vehicles this customer was looking at. You can kind of get an idea of what is in their wheelhouse. You know, if they're looking for a small used 4-cylinder car, it's good information to have when you call that customer. And then, of course, their personal information. So this is really amazing information. That's how you set up the widget and the. And if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. Thanks.